Is a hurricane heading towards your area? If so, how do you know if you're at risk from storm surge? You can find out by looking at the potential storm surge flooding map. It provides a reasonable worst-case scenario during a specific storm, showing how high the water may rise in your neighborhood. Here's a hypothetical situation for a storm impacting the Charleston area. If you live in an area highlighted in yellow, you should plan for more than 3 feet of moving water above the ground. This much water can carry away vehicles and block escape routes. In areas highlighted in orange, 6 feet of water can damage structures and roads, cutting areas off from emergency services. In areas highlighted in red, 9 feet of water can be catastrophic, with areas uninhabitable for weeks. Regardless of the amount of storm surge you may face, always follow the guidance of local officials to help ensure your safety.